Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here, and I'm back again with video number 5 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. So I'm very excited to, for us to get into this one. I don't know if you could hear that, but there's it's like thundering out quite badly. In fact, I'll even show you real quick. Yeah, so as you can see, it's quite a gloomy day out as of right now. But nonetheless, we're gonna keep going with this series, and I will, of course, get right into things. All right, so I have the daily wake-up call to attend in the Facebook group right here, in the multiple income funnel group. So I'll of course be attending that in a couple short moments here, and then after that, I will of course pick this video back up. And I will talk primarily about, for this video in particular, I want to talk primarily about the 3 things that I intend to be doing to, of course, increase my traffic flow, right? So I mentioned a little bit earlier that TikTok is one of those things that I'm going to be doing is, making more videos, focusing on getting more engagement. And then as I get more engagement, then more people see my videos. With more people seeing the videos, that'll of course mean more people will go to the link, and that will of course work itself out from there. But there's 2 other things that I intend to be doing that I haven't really talked about much on here yet that I will of course kind of get into a little bit later on. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find this, see if this guy is live right now, and then I will simply give this a watch, and I will simply pick it back up from there. Anyways, take care and see you in a bit. All right, so I'm back. I just finished watching the daily wake-up call for the MIF Facebook in the MIF Facebook program. It's been about 30 minutes since that, of course, started, and so still pouring. Still, I can't speak today for some reason. Still pouring out here quite a bit, and still thundering. Maybe not as noticeable as earlier today, but anyways, yeah, it's hopefully it will clear up sooner today. Anyways, so I want to talk about the 3 things that I intend to be doing over the next week, few days, or I'd say like specifically like within this month to of course increase my traffic flow, get more leads in the door, and of course having more leads will lead to more sales. I feel like I keep repeating that same that same phrase. But anyway, so I mentioned that TikTok is one of the things that I want to improve upon, get more get more people to engage with the videos, get more people to see the videos, and kind of get more videos that will of course reach a bigger audience and of course reach more people. So one thing that I also might do as well in addition to that, and you might notice this on, if you're subscribed to this channel, you might notice me post TikTok videos over on this channel from time to time, right? So I'll simply be reposting some of them here. I'll try to be as, try to post all of them on here, but sometimes I just, sometimes I forget or sometimes other things get in the way. So I will try to get as many of these TikTok videos over here on YouTube as well. Maybe I might even do YouTube Shorts, like create videos specifically for YouTube Shorts, and I might, try this out. So I have heard some good things, some fairly good things about YouTube Shorts, and I feel like with YouTube, the platform is it's, I guess, more stable, less strict in the long term. One thing about TikTok is that they tend to be very strict in terms of what you can say, what you could show. If you say a certain word, that could be enough for your video to get taken down. Or if one person out of like 1,000 reports your video, if one person has an issue with it, if there's one Karen out there that doesn't like one thing that you have to say, all it takes is that one person to say, okay, this video violated something, and then without any further look on TikTok's end, they'll just take the video down. So I've had that happen to me quite a number of times over the past few months that I've been making videos, and it's something that always kind of like when I see it, it's like initially I used to get really mad about it, but now at this point it's like, it's like it's kind of to be expected now. So that's kind of the downside with TikTok, but nonetheless, it is still a great platform for getting lots of views, getting lots of traction, and so I do intend to, of course, continue to use that as long as that platform, of course, exists, right? And if for whatever reason TikTok decides to remove my account or take me down for whatever reason, for no reason at all, I'll just start another account and I will start posting videos again, right? So I did this once and I'll do it again. I'll start another account. I will use the strategy to build a following quickly, and I will continue to use the same concepts. With that being said, I will also be sure to be using YouTube Shorts, and I may even check out Instagram Reels as well some point down the road. Now, the other 2 things that I intend to be doing, and I think I kind of briefly mentioned one of them in here, is that I'm also doing paid traffic with Traffic Authority right now. There might be other paid traffic sources that I'll of course test out as well as I kind of progress further into this. But I want to kind of show this real quick. So I currently have 2 paid ads running with Traffic Authority. One of them I started back in, it was June 14th. And so that looks like that one's about to finish up fairly soon. So that was like a 220 ad that I started. Then there's this other one that I started on July 4th. Yeah, 4th of July. And I ordered, it was like a buy one, get one deal that they were doing at the time. So I got like 2 traffic orders for the price of one, which is pretty cool. I think it was like a gold order. I can't exactly remember what I ordered, but yeah, so I used up, so the total was 880 that was funded. I actually, I think, invested 440, I believe. And so they just said, okay, you got 880 worth of traffic, used 162 so far. So it's got like 718 remaining of traffic left, and they sent 135 clicks so far to this specific link. So out of these 135 clicks that I've got so far, it looks like, according to my car trick count, I have 32 opt-ins, and if you do the math, that is about a 23% opt-in rate that I'm currently getting. So it's not necessarily as good as like a previous traffic run I did. I think the highest I had with Traffic Authority was around like 29%, and this is using the same capture page that I had that I used in previous orders, right? So I might do like a split test shortly down the road, or I think another reason why this could be the case is at one point my Kartra account went active because of like some sort of like thing I experienced here. And so I had a bunch more clicks kind of running. And so I had to like email them, like reach out to their support and say like, hey, could you pause this order? Like my links aren't ready as of right now. Just like, kind of pause it. So it took them like, I think like a day or two to respond. They paused the order. And then I, of course, sent them another message a couple days later to, of course, resume it. So nonetheless, it still looks like it's going pretty decent, but one more thing that I'm currently looking into, and I kind of tested this out a little bit, but I haven't like fully kind of like went in, fully understood it, is this new program called My Lead Gen Secret. And I've been hearing a lot of members with MIF having great success with this. So I hear that's really great for generating lots of leads very quickly. And of course, I don't know exactly what the quality of these leads are. They might be, they might not be as good, but you're getting 100 leads per day for $30 a month, which, I mean, normally when I hear about that, when I first heard about this, it was kind of like, I don't know about that. That sounds like it's probably bad traffic, but I have heard lots of people getting great results with this. So this is, of course, another traffic source that I'll be using, or lead gen source, or I guess whatever you want to call it here, that I'll of course be using. So this plus setting a traffic budget for Traffic Authority, once these 2 ads run out, I'll of course be discussing this in a future video, plus also TikTok. These 3 plus possibly YouTube Shorts and the YouTube videos that I already have on my channel. I'm going to have these 4 traffic sources pretty much running at once, and with this in mind, with consistent traffic coming from these 4 sources, I should be able to hit 30 leads per day at the very least. No problem with this, right? So yeah, so lead flow kind of goes up and down. Sometimes I get a lot from it, and other times not so much. And so with TikTok especially, I know that if I just put a little bit more effort into the videos, make them a little bit more engaging, and of course focus more so on adding value rather than just trying to promote the program all the time, which I'll be honest, I've been doing quite a lot lately. Then with that, I should be able to get more views on there, and of course really get the metrics up overall, right? So anyways, I had an email go out this morning, which so far, I think this went out like 8:30 a.m. It's like now been 2 hours since I sent it. And so far it's looking pretty good. Almost 1% clicks, 4.4% opens, and this is out of 778 people that it was sent to. So of course, as the day goes on, usually what I like to really look at is, after 24 hours after an email is sent, I like to look at the stats that it has kind of gotten throughout that day. So like this one, for example, this one that I sent the previous day had a 12% open rate and 1.6% of people who clicked it. Now, generally, any click-through rate above 1% is usually really good. If you can get something that is 2%, then that's even better, right? So I think that pretty much kind of covers all the main stuff that I want to kind of really focus on for today. So pretty much for today, what I'm going to be doing, I'll mainly just be focusing on making more TikTok videos. I'll probably be working a little bit more on the follow-up series, kind of getting that finalized into place. So I do have the emails like all set up, but it's like I'll have to put it in each of the different um, like traffic sources or sequence. It's like I don't know. It's kind of confusing to explain all these different terminologies right here, but I'll of course be working on that more, getting that into place, and then probably like at the end of the day, end of today, I'll probably pick back up from here and kind of let you know exactly how it all went. So, anyways, see you in a bit, or see you sometime later today. Anyways, take care for now. Okay, so check this out. It is now 11:58 p.m. as I'm filming this right now, so it's about to switch to the next day, now 11:59, but I've got a really cool update that I want to share with you regarding TikTok. So I mentioned that I wanted to really focus on building up this TikTok profile, getting lots more engagement, and so I posted a video today. You know, I made a couple videos earlier today, and I posted one in particular that I have a feeling is about to go viral, probably within the next day or so, and it is this one right here. New to affiliate marketing is this one that I posted. And so as of right now, it only has about 352 viewers. However, this message is for all the newbies. If I, go in here for a bit, I mentioned, well, this is, wait a minute. It's this one right here is what I posted. And so I got a ton of comments on this video, as you can see right here, a ton of people that were requesting access. And so on previous videos when I had this type of thing going, this is when I noticed videos, of course, starting to go viral, right? So this is definitely a great sign. I'm expecting leads to, of course, start going up from here. I think, let's see if I go back here. My lead account for today. So my lead count for this specific day or yesterday or now is it is 7 leads for that day, which isn't the best, but I am expecting this to go dramatically up sometime tomorrow or sometime today, since it's now just struck 12 a.m. So I guess I'm somewhat late on this, but I still hit the record button before 12. So in this case, I'm still gonna count today as a win. And considering the amount of things that I got done overall today, making the TikTok videos, of course, I didn't fully get to, finishing up the follow-up series, but I am still going to continue today as a win because I had a lot of really cool stuff happening, specifically with TikTok, getting lots of engagement, getting, tons more engagement on other videos as well, which I think is really good, right? So I'm definitely seeing engagement starting to pick back up, and I'm noticing that with these videos, within, before 24 hours, they are hitting 200 views, 300 views before the 24 hours is up, which is definitely, definitely going really well, right? So I'm going to kind of wrap up for today. I'm going to kind of, I'll probably do like maybe 1 or 2 more things. Maybe I might work on the follow-up series a little bit more just to kind of get a head start on tomorrow. But other than that, I'm pretty much going to, do my journaling for tonight. I might talk more about that in like a future video about what I'm kind of doing. I'll listen to The Stranger's Secret, and then I'm, of course, going to get some sleep. And, of course, pick the series back up with video number 6 tomorrow. So definitely looking forward to that one. Stay tuned tomorrow for that video. And anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and take care and all the best.